Asikhulume podcast on the ones and twos kanyamazane. Yeah, selokishini bafethu eish. Sancenga. Set studio sancenga game, sancenga live but life that's someone. So ngifracture anyone who's la khona ngagive up ngokumlelo kwendawo ngoba sihlale sithukile ukuthi angeke ngikhona ukudlala ibhola ngoba nginamakhokho. Thatha amatika akuzala udlale ngakho. Le out yami la sibarandile siphila long mina naye sicalele podcast sonke is one of the people being podcaster now sesikhathi siya just say nayo busy yabo busy ngemusic mfowethu angathi beside music ubusy ngani yeah ngoyena usitshela kangcono thina sathi lutho siva ngaye siyambona umfakile amabhena ziyagijima ziyakhala ikazi 1214 my brother so gamba njani mfowethu
show me the big man
long time so this shaya episode after episode wali but yonke into esikhathi sakhona God's grace yabo yeah so singa complain sibonga lesikutholile
mnandi kuwe
long time yeah today topic kahle ngoba sikhuluma about trending stories ngema what do you call these people celebrities about music by the way yabo because when you talk music you can't talk about more but besides music yabo music entertainment when lapho le game le yabo so but before we talk about someone else let's talk about you sikhulumile before our first episode using uqale njani le game yabona yeah so how far nyana like the game my dog because we see my celebrities and now nalabanye lo relate nawo yabo uthi sana uyavuthi nabosibani baphatha njani wona like how far nyana like le game yakho dog.
Okay sanibonani ngicela ngibingelela sanibonani babukeli siyabonga ukuthi asikhulume podcast isibekthini le podcast lena njengoba shilo mfowethu so igama lami ngisandile sibonga Mkwanda Bonsamaki sababe ngcongwane so ma stage name bangathi ngasibarandile kakhulu yabona yokumisa ukukhuluma le podcast le yami enyalo sisto highlights nje kuphela
kahle
yeah so yeah ngimuntu busy music amapiano but ngiyaenda music but ngoba ngaduma kakhulu kumapiano which is into le yaqala vele ngenda ngibaphuphula kuphila ikasi na spirit ompumalanga romu na itinzawo abakhona abantu if ngingivotela on my fans supporters la khona ngiyabonga cela sichubeke njalo so nyalo Mr Batman nyala ngirelease music so don't quiet ngasho ukuthi lento ngifuna kangisengayitholanga not ukuthi khona la ngivimbela khona no khona la ngirecorda khona but ngirecorda my feature mina ngisengakhipha ngawami music basangifeature abantu so kwanyala into lengathi ngihambisa kakhulu tindzawo bangiqhangayo MC discover ukuthi ngiyakwazi no-MC and abantu bangithangaza Stella sami sahluka ngafika nje ngeStella sami sihlukile la game Mr Batman so ngiloko lengathi ngiyagijimisa nyalo ukungisa le itoma poster tindzawo
yeah ngiyakuva my dog so what makes you ukuthi wena nyalo ungakhiphi music wakho yini lengalo usuyimele so lingafiki
I don't get the right producers in the challenge lebalekile ngile producer apha yenyensi yabo abantu abatofika babambe emsebenzi wami ile quality engifuna because ngibonaka music wema local ne music wama national artist uhlukile futhi quality nokuthi abawathi kushama ama beats labana bayakwadi ngithi le quality thina sayishaya but asikwati lokuqinisa lo music ukuthi okay nyalo ngiva la siyiqinile iphelele so ngithi ngamuntu lona isandla lesinjalo yabo bona isandla sakhe lesiqinile lesiclean futhi uthi yazi ivoice yami ayilungisa ibeat ayilungisa iba right
yeah no ngiyaku so but the other time usibungekho lana local uzihambile nawo so khuphi studio so what happened like mina very bengithi this year vela angeke sikubone nje so what happened
into lokutshela yona besiye kuphanda sozama esinganako la sesiye khona yabo besiye kuzama lesinganako la besiye khona sibuyile nokuthi sibuyile sesigive up njani next sisala sona khona sinisa amaphuthethu the reason why ngiyile kuphanda true to music wise total connection ngigige experience ale vibe ungathola amagigi experience vibe le ngayadi ngithi abantu abanyuwane amhlele ngelele so far u-100% ngasho ukuthi 40% 50% ngule ngibuyele ngitholile so ngizophiza futhi ngibuyele njalo ngibavakashele eJozi so yeah ungiloko ngizangathi ngiphendule kahle
no ngiyakuva mfowethu ngiyakuva yeah no ngiya-understand because washo even the other time uhlala cousin and stuff yabo yeah awubonga nendzawo yakho ngibonga salary lokuthi mhlambe ngawena nawugcina usuka nendzawo yakho and stuff yabo because you had the game very tough like ngiyalo kahle sizuphe ne ize ithi game tough yabona ngiyalo ukuthi media can make you and can build you it can break you yabo now ngiyalo trending stories like kakhulu ngiyalo stories trend kakhulu out lesi frusta nabo sonke in social media and music lesimthandzako Scott Maphume, you understand? Just imagine the way like notice lamanye ama-documentary akhe long time ago, you understand? Asolo afisa kufika la afike khona, you understand? So ufikile la khona even if lo munye wathi ukutshela akafika kanti uyafuna afike ngakhona mhlawumbe akutshela akafika kanti uyafuna kufika ngakhona but na ifame yalo seyimendela lenyini, you understand? Because nekuthi esinye isikhathi abantu bangakwakha abantu bangaphiza bangakuphula because they umuntu, you understand? And the umuntu unema-ups and downs akhe, you understand? So imedia imkhuluma ngelo uyamkhuluma ngakhona net naye mhlawumbe uresponde kabi mangiba lama-response akhe lekaresponde about ukuthi abantu bafuna kushutha naye lesinye isikhathi and stuff and naye lesinye isikhathi nawe as nawe artist dog, you understand? Behlala nami ama-artist anzima blind u-MC that stage ubone la mawuphuma to a crowd we somehow i-control njani le vibe leyo before sikhuluma ngaScott Maphume nawe khona la mhlawumbe kuqalwa shakona bekunabuzibani lapana wayevuzabala namshayela and nabo labantu sebafuna kushutha nawe esinye isikhathi mhlawumbe nemedia yakho uyabona whatsoever nawe ne-fame phela labantu lama-light ayashayana into yokucala nje yabo anele nawe sakucala ubona like wonke umuntu alandzela indlela oyendawo asasitela sakho uyajabula yabo but njoba usho ekugcini kwawo konke sisonke sibani yabona but kunema-boundaries emntwini nakimi kunema-boundaries nakubani ema-boundaries siyabekisa kufanele ukuthi kufike umuntu athi kimi yangivotela ucula kamnandi ngithe kamnandi umamba ligwayi uyabona ukuthi sowudlulele lo muntu loyo uyangithola nami ngine-limit stage njengoba nyalo sengitiva ngathi ngahlala phansi because besolo strive ngiyabekisa solo strive angifike enzaweni ngangena ngaphefoma ngahlala phasi sehlala phasi sekufika abantu mina ngisukume ngishuthe nabo and abantu abapheli sikhuluma ngeclub nebile ifaka 300 bangazinzi 1000 lefana 300 bani yabo le 300 leyo bekusho ukufuna kushutha 50 and ayathi ukuthi isithombe umuntu ofika sa 3 noma sa 4 obvious angiba ngenimini hour umuntu asula shoot ufuna hlale phasi aphumule nathi drink yakhe yabona kube ngilo engage nalabantu labamcashile laphana yabo kube ngilo but nakhona njengathi nasicala so vele sokujabulela kushutha kaningi but when time goes so siye na 4 mark or 5 mark isikhathi sami sangishaya angikhona ukwenda wonke lo lethi into vele ukuthi ushutha maybe 2-3 tithombe njike ngiphume ngihambe ngula nami yakho selaba hlule ngishutha nami sebathi bafana yachoma ngoba so grand naye ukuthi kuchoma ngesinye isikhathi kusesikhathi nokuthi lo muntu uzothini nabo bantu at the end of the day sibantu yabo so sinema-boundaries ukuthi mina ngiyenda kuphelele la. So when I just told Scott Maphume, what can you say about it? Bakhuluma ngakhona nge-social media. Isitori leso ngiyasibona esitrenda blind njengoba usho abantu bakuvusa baphinze bakuyise into lekumele sibe careful ngayo kakhulu Scott Maphume bangahle labamwisa kakhulu nyama bala qhamuka nabo Davidson yabo ukuthi like labantu labo kuba bebuye kushaya events bambukhile lena bafuna shutha naye abachomela something because abantu bayithatha advantage into enjasibone le ukuthi njoba mina nawe nyalo sebenza soyithula sasa angeke usarespect a space sami or mina ngisarespect a space sakho angeke uthola usebenza sengifike ngiyadlula phambi kwamakhamera ngoba ngiyakwazi ufuna kumele ucede kusebenza sengikhani into umuntu obingelela ongeke ngizime uphazamise ukusebenza yabo so ngiyacabanga nalabantu labo bayinento into badlulela wafika la ukuthi naye yazima khona kude umuntu lesithatha ngekho rungi even bakhona ama-artists hlangana nawo lamaningi lamanye la room but
ngoba yena bese umuntu beyasashutha loku negative ngaye lo positive angasakuveli yabo ukuthi isikole positive na kuningi le right la kanye indawo baveta konke lokho wrong la kwindawo which is ngivebali umlomo wakhe ukuthi lo wakhe ngabachazi ukhuluma so ya just anokubona kabi yabo sengile mina ngaperforma nami
okay
2 or 3 times yeah khona la cala khona performa naye khona Lydenburg zone 6 bambidile akhona uqhamuka tomagika kila manje ngithwa fika isikhathini akawuma past 3 to 4 kuseni yabo lo muntu njani wafika vena afika nge stage same time performa saphuma stage azange ahlala even minutes wahamba semine labanye abantu bafuna ukushutha naye azange bakhona bona isikhathi lamathi la usuke ejuza indlela or flight athole lapha indlela lapho ahamba eperforma yakhe isenkomazi mathulu etown sihambe Lydenburg so yayibona distance njani uyathina lo muntu umtimba uyashata down
kahle
yabo so ngilo mina ngibona lokho ngaye kahle
so that day now azangikhuluma naye
akhuluma naye second gig ukuthi ngakhuluma nalabantu abaclose naye because sometimes labo bantu possible artists yabo but labantu abaclose nabo Bheki Rain labo vele sahlala even asikusina kwasibukhele khona sakuca plan sabe ngihambi wavela yena sibingelele uma chance yabo wathi mahlata akhe bangene emotweni bahamba
sola ngaka
sola ngisikhuluma
nale biggest win
lale konke lamakikaka le strina le birthday celebration yami ngibita khona ngibita birthday celebration ngaphoxwa ilo what you call agents yokubuka sports akusi manager yakhe i-agents umuntu ukuthi endoda ngicela ngiconnectise nalo muntu ngumbuka safenda imali naso waphi lo muntu wamisa kunkomazi nabo babathona ngambhizi yabo ngicabanga lapho besingalona but yena otherwise angize ngimjudge because kusethe nami ukubonile lokho wrong kimi because nami umuntu wegenge understand nami ladlula kubo kanjani angathi but ngoba thina esibantu siyahlupha sometimes kakhulu siyahlupha kakhulu safila understand ngilo mara yena bakhona vele abantu abaningi baphatha kabi
because laphana khona there's a clip labayishutile phuma stage I don't know what's been going on bashuthi phuma stage mfethu angeke uphuma stage umuntu akuzuphele no you don't know now ufuna to protect for so makapusha beba expect ukuthi ende njani like naku nami njengoba usho wena naku uyaphuma stage umuntu akuzuphele awumanje ureact kanjani lapho situation efana naleyo
angathi uyakhumbula phose yami ukuthi lo bathi ngibane beletela Chris Brown ekudume ukuthi usha amafence akhe ngetimbanga
okay
ngilendile ndami ku-sport akabashaya at least yabo Chris Brown lokufika ama-fan lokufika umuntu okhulile nge-structure maybe unabingana nami amuthekile achama gijima and egijima angawugijima uhleka ugijima vele yabo uyakuye umhaka adede kayiwana kushaya ngembanga cause akade lo muntu lo utengaliphi lakini uyabona so naye yadivikela exam because ma-security angiyahlale akhona idlala khathi uperform naye aka-left naye aka-left yabona so umuntu at least akubone usachamuka kahle uyabona ukuthi itandla usho ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ukhakha ushutha nawe uyabona ukuthi lo muntu ukhombisa ubuntu mana sokunakenda ngemdlanga umgijima suyamdonsa yabo nehug phela umuntu amhaga akabuhlungu alimali nje la suyanyana yabo so ngiyacabana ngelo yazama ukudivikela ngokungcola kusakule igigi bafika bambi kanti abambi itsaka lakhe siyangcola ukuthi simhlophe nangaphatha ngathi impahla sengilenye issue
makeup and stuff
sengilenye issue nale
ayish mina ngi-understand ukuthi izinto kubantu abamnyama umuntu omnyama vele bahlala bamkudala ukuthi agcele omnye umuntu omnyama wakubo because i-response yakhe mangiva ukuthi usena it's fine noma ngabe yena bamwrite off bamkhiphe because nayo uyayidinga i-private yakhe noma othatha impahla khona noma mdzinga khona futhi akekho ukuthi wale mood leyo understand but bana bakhulu understand lento leyo noma bangasala bamwrite off it's fine akanankinga nabo konke lokho something like that like ikhulumile and yamove lo muntu ukuthi ukhuluma from enhlitweni ulimele yabona lento leyo ukuthi abafuni ukuva side lakhe lelingi and njengoba basho ukuthi ichamuka from ikasi lakhe lelo bamjuba from ikuphi ikasi lakhe and le outside ukuthi bengekho blind before vele from kuqala yabo umuntu eyilandelele nento ukuthi inyana so bese yahlangana nebantu aba-right ezinawusho ukuthi nawe ungahlangana nebantu ba-great cha into yeninto yakho ibe-great understand so nyalo seyikunele kwali leyo understand bekuthi mhlambe lento leyile duma na-Oscar Mbo ukuthi Oscar Mbo naye is one of the person lo bikanjalo understand ugcina waya kwamagig lamanye aya for free ukuzoshutha nebantu esekendela abantu ngenxa ukuthi igama lakhe because labo bantu labo uyazi ukuthi kusase bamphakele ngoba abamele usale great understand so as a reactive vele kuma situation ngendlela efanayo it's just kumjida ngalo bamkapa and yalo nguye ivocal blind yalo lesidla ngayo uphethe kabuhlungu understand so lekakhuluma kwethemba mina nje ngibona ngakhona ukuthi akachamukanga kule background yendlala mina nje ngibona ngakhona makakhona kuresponder so achamukanga ne background akacolisi phela awuzazi ecolisa lapha understand ukuthi umuntu yena kahle kunebantu ekalwa nabo I think mhlambe njengoba sikhuluma
laba ngali kuyi laba
hlala chamuka khona and I think nayo kunetinye izinto ukuthi maso lapha kule fame there are people ukuthi ngathi before respond bacaba advice because you know so kule level le ukuthi before respond there are people they need to advise you ukuthi I know nyalo ukhuluma kabi nyalo uyabona no because if ngabona ma good advisors mina esayidini lami bengathi ngisa respond ngale ndlela leyo if yena bengathi excuse sorry you understand for the sake of it sorry because abantu bafuna ube humble for the sake ukuthi wende labona even if unutendela wena you understand njengoba ngisho ukuthi Oscar wabana le trend ukuthi ube kulo makhazi khona la ngisho baba
stage
you understand so what respond wacolisa you understand acolisa but I respond makhazi azangisiva ngale ndlela but bamjuba yena that day bamjuba blind mara yena khona kuzama kwena njani ukuthi le humble you understand so I think nebantu ukuthi lesinye isikhathi ngathi you need to ngathola abantu bak advise you understand uthi humble nyalo kube nelona ya Menda Bongs ngambithe somewhere na wangayi wathi uyagula understand and bambhadalile imali wa-attend lenye gig wathola ukuthi u-attend lenye kwenda kanjani like dog maybe wena mhlawumbe uyabona understand uyobe uyarelate ngathi into lento kwenda kanjani lapho wayanga le but uzoyagula but ngale bakubhadalile nakhona
okay ngicala ngale ya Scott ne boss le ya Scott mina kimi sometimes sinesibanda abamnyama sawathenga amaqiniso mafosana yabo umuntu yabe yakhuluma into le straight and forward yakhuluma into lephuma ishutsheni yakhe azange ukukhuluma into lechamuka kumngane advice or something else yabo khuluma into lechamuka deep inside emlimatako yena because ekugcineni bese bantu bangakuphakela mali impilo yakhe
ibalekile
yawo shothi mina ngahlala nebantu abangihluphayo mara
ngeke sibamuye imali
ngicabanga bakuphakela mali moya enkolini no I have to move forward yangizona yena ukhuluma lokuthi uthiniwe naye phathwa ngale ndlela leyo sekumele aphile impilo la angafuna ukuphila even though uyafuna kuba celebrity something so mina le nto la posting nami ngicale ngayi-understand yabo ngayahlala phansi kahle ngayilalela kahle ngayifunza with my own understanding ngayibona ngathi u-right lekuwa lapha bese wakhuluma amaqiniso onke laphelele
ngivele iqiniso balifuna
ngiyathini
bafuna uhambule nalawo
bafuna ukuxolisa nala ngafuna ikhona and ukwazi ukuthi abantu is ungayile into labayifunayo uvamisa kuba right ukhona ukuchubeka but angeke uchubeka isikhathi esithi ngoba into abayifunayo abantu because batozuba kusi bayafuna wena ukuthi wena salwena le ndibona le abayifunayo abasali nawe wena kanti ungathi nakela lela indaba hamba indlela yakho kude umuntu omndeni ngicabanga nayo zama ke indlela efana nale sele yabona bonke ele tough le it depends that boss usibani wam-offerishe njani ngiyakufuna wena ngiyalula ngithi boss ngegig mani ngicela ufike ngina 20,000 ngabekisi kodwa ungidlalele uthi nankinga awuthani sikhona sifike ngelanga le beyucharge nemali leyo 20,000 lena soka lapho yena sekufonela umuntu ngingalifoni umdeni athi kusenya kufuna mani sabisa maybe thina simbukhelana eMpumalanga ngalu 20,000 sekufona umuntu waseDurban uthi kusenya kufuna ngashadile kuvuleka iclub yami something like that or ngishaya events uthi wena ngidlala eMpumalanga ngikhona umntanga lapho wathi hayi mani ucharge imali eMpumalanga uthi abafuna 20 kuyana nogas 60 wena njani sibantu kuphela ekugcineni mani ekugcineni sonke sibantu bewenda njani
So tuwe lona lenjalo my brother ngiyakuva. Yeah, no ukuthi tough. Yeah, iva tough kakhulu and yeah, no, it's tough kakhulu. Yes, the way much we so you understand now. You understand? So low 20,000, so keep it in my post. None over 60,000, so keep it in my post now. You understand? And if low 20,000 mvumele, none over 60,000 mvumele. Mhlawumbe ngaka awukhulumi nami. Mina ngimmela boss ngiyabekisa. Awukhulumi nami per se. Ukhuluma ne management yami something like that. Akade uzingibita 19. So
manage
hayi man. Kodwa sorry kancane ish. Mase ukhuluma ne management yami. Sebese nami ngiva nge management yami. Kuthi noma gigla so ilanga leso isikhathi leso. You understand? Khali njalo. And ngivele ya tough. But ibhlungu ngokuthi kutholakala ukuthi baqambe yabona ukuthi lesinye isikhathi ngilendele ebhlungu ukuthi laba managers
awabe honest.
Yeah, we honest. Akhulume manga ngale athi mina umuntu uyagula but only to find out ngiyagika ngale. And babakhuluma labo bantu lama organizer aleyo gig leyo abakhulumi ngale management yami. Bakhuluma ngami. You understand? Say ngibani ngolako ngimi. And now abukile vele lapha 20,000 na 60,000. You understand? Mhlambe after 60,000 singathi lesihwayele be 20,000 somewhere khona la. You understand? Because if you angeke that's why abanye bathi aba like more gig around Joburg kuba ngcono than ukuthi usene spray nyalo most ufuna ukuyela Gauteng and stuff yabona like kuba ngilo. Hayi bese ibakhunga kakhulu lapho. Hayi bakhulu. Abantu bene artist osikahle nje Mati.
Yeah, ma decision ajikana nala.
Kahle kahle. Ngomambele la la stance esiphazamisa le. Osikahle kubona artist my brother ku difficult.
Yeah, kakhulu ngoba if ngabe bengine manager yakhe mina bengeke ngithi uyagula because bantu bashuthana
kunjalo
and abanye bashutha bafuna ukupostel bakhona bakubonile kanjani. So yena he was supposed to say yo so mangibookie somewhere I could leave. Yeah, we didn't check our schedule, our date, organize one available, but can you shift that day for next week?
Yeah.
Or for tomorrow? For tomorrow, but not for next week. As maybe the Mshaga 2, it's a Mshaga.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. Now, but to understand, but to call people understand, I'm not getting fun.
Because now, when I was keep my post.
Our refund. Because not was refund. Just got my phone.
Yeah.
Then there is some focus codes. That's what I put in a journey. We are going to what's on the same commerce. This is a question. I say it, man. Putting a little child.
Yeah, very. Yeah, my brother knows it's tough. It's really tough because even Oscar Bogilo or Kalang, I did the Bambita mom. That's one bit many times. Agashwat and money and stuff. What to scam, what to promote to scam and stuff. What to sit up here. I depend on the hotel in the local government. Because I my manager sometimes I feel.
Yeah, I feel because as you never see, never artist to good satona. Meaning, not to go to bank to train. Can move 36 to the manager 64. Like get them trade do a corner. He's on a whole lot of football trade.
Yeah.
So for the one of my club owners sometimes on neighbor never 7 my club in. Yeah. I become artist. And I'm a club owner now. I say, but I think artist my league. Yeah. Now I figure a pound, but it's indoor. Come on, who charge money more journal. It's all I'm charge a trade. Can the manager is the city so look about 60 again. 660 soon. Se cover the manager again. And I want to say that I'm happy. Even Yaman, lava like baby, what was I'm saying.
Let's go to the little one. Say, do some.
This is cutting up another like feeling about when I am.
So, Mr. Zival is now with artist and now you're still coming and you want to be there. Understand? Yini imali ukuphosa wabona they went they all in the industry. Those now officer kwalungisa. bekuthi ufisa nawo ngendeni
mina kucala ngidosho ukuthi into yokucala nje ngina respect umsebenzi wami nabangibhukhe la nabangibhukhe eMpumalanga ngari na 4 magig or 5 ngodlala eMpumalanga sasa ngiyajika ngibuyele ekhaya la ngihlala khona ngeJozi nabangibhukhe eCape Town uyangithola nangukuthi kune sometimes bana kufuna abantu ukuthola boss yabo imali ingakwenza ukugijimisa le ndlela ukuze igcine nayo iphuma isiyabikisa bakufune kuphi eDurban bathi nangu 60,000 awufika eDurban nathi banjani ngani mali music kwawo lawo Tanzania awufika eDurban babhukhe kwathi iyihlapho masiyinhlapho uthuyana ngalo nale malo 60,000 then nabasa hijack abakhipha 30 which is 90,000 yabo then nababhukha le club lebaqashe khona nga20,000 khona uyaluthi labo 20 yobashane wahamba ngina 6 magig yabona so nale imali 2 4 6 8 10 yabona nabo 100 and something 120 yabona njani
discipline
phela
patient stuff
so mina into lento icala nje discipline no respect emsebenzi wami okukwendakalayo ngibe ngikwati imali engena kuliphuma lo kuze ugcine ngisebenza mina
wabe ngisakhohliwe lenye yokugcina ne yasizwe like bathi nisizwe alakhanya about lelo lana wonke umuntu
omkhasi
wonke mfati uyijabulele lento ngayenzi that day, you understand? Yeah, ujabulele kakhulu. What can you say about that one day afika lapha kule podcast and they were not expecting him that day babasho ukuthi bebona expectanga beba uzokhuluma lapha wathi indoda bethile start lelo nikhathile sisamanga what happened. What can you say wena nawe mhlambe nawe seyifikela kuwe lento le because this thing is a game yabo anytime any day can happen to anyone then the assist alakhanya
reason okay sisiqalela le lona yabutsaga na bosifiso ngiyo le yabo reason the podcast yabo piano pals ne especially ngathi ngikhuluma specialize ngibani mapiano yes sifiso yangena to mapiano alright but ngathi i-relationship yakhe ayihlangani nepiano pals ukhalela lo wena ukuthi why ngifake relationship yami nje futhi ngikhuluma ngabantu lo bam downgrade why lento lesikubanika ngepiano pals khuluma ngabantu mapiano ubantu lo uyaphusha lo akaphusha trend ibana so uhlangana kuphala ukuthi ngiyalona lana shasha le podcast is piano pals sesikhuluma ngebhola ayihlangana sesiyabo babe out of topic and the definition of character amzelile jiji lami so
it's something else.
Yeah, we made abalayi abashayile.
Yeah, our shit was when. Yeah, no, masasi vala my brother. No? What can you look up to you like this year, 2025? You just not expectable. Ube yini into itsinga abantu usibani bangakuletha ngayo in order now we can see you in another level.
Ayishabo bala uthi bani abancetha ngayo. Because sabona baningi abantu ababona ukuthi ngiyaphusha talent elikhona lyrical ngiyakwati abaningi bathi ngiblind kwa ngisho lo bathi intona le blind iyabhala intona le but there are more people abanemali lokuthi phela mina bengathi angithi ngibele ngithi ngizakuthi umuntu angibhadale ama studio camp ngiyabekisa alama artists shaya isiphume listen let's ngithola so ngawafaka abantu bengabafaka umuntu toxic angafuna but ngiyabelieve ukuthi if isikhathi sakho sifikile sitofika noma ngabe ungalinza for many years but nase sifikile sofika consistency kuphela into yenda so into lengathi lo nyaka lo ufuna kuyenda ngiqhubeka ngale consistency ngihlala ngibhala ingoma studio sami nase screen because ngisho ngescreen sifile screen sami nase screen ndawo ngirecorda ngisathi ingoma liba ngimasterele tona ngithi keep letinye yabo ngishare music nami so fanga lo nokuyenza events ngimake events yabo nethi ngifuna ngisabona plan kahle
also when you write your own songs
ngiyibhalela mina ukuthi ngibhalela
let is just ukuthi ngamuntu okushayela ama beats and stuff
ngitsinga lethi producer kuphela ukuthi ulo kuphela ukuthi ngidala okunye
So bakuthola kuphi bakufollowisha kuphi bantu?
Facebook Sandile Ncongwane, personal page Sandile Ncongwane, yemsebenzi Sibarandile, Instagram Sibarandile, TikTok Sibarandile, yonke le ndawo Sibarandile. Yeah.
Last word
information konke lapha.
Yeah, you last word masoyivala.
Ngathi nje vele be consistency on what you're doing. If you talk consistency, umsebenzi yakho uyoyibona. Yabo kufana nokufunda isikolo from grade 1, grade R or crash till uza grade 12. Knowledge but consistency khona lapho. Ukuthi ufuna gain knowledge but ubona consistency ukuthi ngicetha ngokhona ku7, ngicetha ngokhona ku7 empilo ngifuna ukuba ngiyini. So if now uvuka every day wena lo uthandzayo uthi ngathi ngwalahle ithawula ngalinye ilanga toyendeka abophi izulu ucale kulowa phasana ngathi ubuye kuthini umuntu loyana consistency usijave uyabona consistency ngelo so be consistent on what you doing nje kuphela kulowo magama. I know. Thanks a lot my brother. All the best. All the best. Yeah. Amen. Yeah. Sure.